this is locs, Genty here, and I just really want to share with you guys how I style my locks. I'm 1.5 months in and I really love it, and most of the time I just leave it like this, so just have it down, but sometimes I want to do something a bit different, so I just want to show you guys what I do. I don't do much with it because it's still quite new, it's still forming and locking, so I don't want to manipulate with my hair too much, so I do really low manipulation hairstyles, so I want to share with you guys. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is flat twist it. So I'm flat twisting to retain length. I know when I go out my hair shrinks a lot, so I'm going to flat twist it just to get a bit of length. Now for the next part, I'm just going to be using my edge control and a toothbrush that I usually use for my edges. Now you do not have to do this. I don't do this every time I go out, but today I'm going to lay my edges. I always add a bit of water when I'm laying my edges so that it doesn't stick, so it simply holds. And obviously the last part. So I'm going to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes just to wait for allow my edges to lay, and I'm going to continue. Alright, so 10 minutes is up, so I'm going to remove the head wrap. So as you can see, kind of laid my edges down, and sometimes I go out like this with my hair flat twisted. So got myself an accessory that I'm just going to put as a crown. Just tie it at the back. So this is kind of cute. Style number 1. This wasn't so not planned. I was only supposed to do one style, but that's the best thing about locks as well. You can do so much with it. Okay. Okay, style number 2. So I'm using the curvy part of the bobby pin facing down. Apparently that's the best way to clip your hair. It holds stronger, tighter. Right, so there we go. Really easy style that pulls your face backward. Really give you that glamorous kind of chic look. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you.